A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Mrs. Sapna Rajmohan, on behalf of the Cosmopolitan Education Society, would like to welcome all you wonderful people who have joined today for the virtual inauguration of our Valia Hall. I would also like to welcome our special guest for today's function, Padma Vibhushan Shri Amitabh Bachchan. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you very much, and it's a great honor and a great pleasure to be at this inauguration today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It is said, education is the passport to the future, but tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. It is a mission of the Cosmopolitan Education Society to prepare better leaders and citizens for tomorrow. For nearly 5 decades, the Cosmopolitan Education Society has been providing quality and affordable education to the needy. Our range of institutions go from kindergarten to post graduation. Over the decades, Cosmopolitan Education Society has worked tirelessly to transform the educational achievements of the youngsters so that they can elevate themselves in the social strata. Across the social strata, the society has been able to provide education to the needy. Renovating and revamping the Valia Auditorium is a step in this direction to provide digital education to our youngsters. May I now request the Vice President of Cosmopolitan Education Society, Shri Bharat Walia sir, to kindly address the gathering.
Chief guest, Padma Vibhushan Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji. Sir, I am privileged and proud to be a part of today's virtual inaugural ceremony to be done by you, sir. Our institute is very grateful to you for giving your blessings second time. Thank you very much, sir. Our president, GC colleagues, invited guests and relatives, all heads of institution, all teaching and non-teaching staff members. Today, we miss the presence of our senior trustee and past president, late Sri Harshadbhai Walia, under whose guidance and wisdom, Institute had achieved many milestones. With his blessings, we are able to grow and make rapid progress. Our vision is based on quality education, experimental learning, and for all-round development of the students and not just knowledge. I feel proud to say that our institute is equipped with the best of faculties and infrastructure. We believe in providing vast vista opportunities to the students. Total strength of our students is more than 7,000 from KG to PG level. Ours is a NAC accredited institute and among the few privileged CBSE affiliated schools in Kevor. Our SCD Barfiwala High School recently received 7th place in top 10 budget private school in Mumbai. Our primary SSC school was declared as an expert school by Department of Education. Our CBSE affiliated school recently was declared most progressive school of 2020 and received certificate of recognition as top emerging school in national curriculum. Setting up of Valia Center of Excellence for initiating vocational training has been the most successful venture of our society. Our tie-up with Lamarck for fashion designing and photography last year and recent tie-up with IBM for data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning has opened new avenues for our students' career. In this pandemic period, all branches of our institute work very hard to learn and evolve to face the multiple challenges of online teaching. In fact, all of them perform excellently. Congratulations to all heads and the teachers for this extraordinary performance. In 2018, after almost 9 years, we felt the need to renovate and refurnish this auditorium, which is a heart of various cultural and social activities. We had also made numerous visits to various auditoriums from Bandra to Borivali and understood the needs and requirements of versatile auditorium, which should be able to cater to the needs of theatre, drama, music shows, and various other social and cultural activities. So, we had decided to take up this challenge to convert this in a real state-of-the-art auditorium, and for this job, we had appointed Mr. Gaurang Sheth, a very talented and experienced architect. He has vast experience in such projects in India and USA. For us, it was a very tough task to choose various agencies with reputed background, choose best of the materials and products at the right price to suit our budget. Again, when COVID-19 period started, we faced many challenges as it involved greater workforce. After so much of follow-ups and persuasions, we could convince all the agencies to restart the work as per government SOPs from May 2020. Even we had to risk of COVID exposure and supervise personally from May 2020 and work continuously to complete it by December 2020. Today, with pride, I would like to share that this 8,000 square feet auditorium has total sitting capacity of 450 chairs, including ground and upper level, 1,000 square feet of stage, which is designed keeping flexibility of multiple events and design props and is controlled from a console room strategically located at the upper level. Stage lighting is done by the doyen of the Indian theatre, Mr. Bahutosh Vyas. The audio video is powered by the global leader in professional audio solutions, Harman Kardon, which transforms the experience into entertainment. Constant beam width technology enables speakers project sound to the farthest corner with consistent sound levels and quality by delay speakers. 1500 watt class D woofers under either side of the stage monitors help to deliver a world-class leading performance in the auditorium. Acoustic treatment for the auditorium is provided and designed using some of the global brands in acoustic and their practices in profession. All the materials are fire resistant and help diffuse sounds of various frequencies without echo and fade. With soundproof doors, we have taken best care not to give any noise nuisance to the working of our school and college. Lighting of the entire auditorium is powered by Philips and Osram, global leaders in high quality and energy efficient lights. Around 500 light fixtures are controlled by smart automation from Lutron, which help create specific moods for the events by transforming into various lighting scenes. Air conditioning units with a total of 72 ton capacity, they are provided for the comfort of the audience with sustainable design and smart controls which are environment friendly and energy efficient. Fire security is taken care by the state-of-the-art beam detectors and sprinklers. Special security cameras are strategically placed to help in surveillance of the facility. Entrance lobby is designed to create a very chic and luxurious ambience with the use of natural materials, textures, ambient lighting, and pastel colors. Marble sourced from the quarry of Italy, natural wood veneers from Kerala, exposed bricks from Karnataka, custom designed furniture and lighting along with modern art from the legendary Mark Rothko give a very modern and international feel to the entrance lobby. We have put in our best efforts to fill this void of a real state-of-the-art auditorium, which along with other students will facilitate for the multicultural and cross-disciplinary events to our community, to add flavor and to give a very different experience. We have introduced one of the best caterers, Messrs. Popular Caterers, to take care of decor and catering. Honor of popular caterer Sri Harish Bhatt worked in theatres for over 30 years, and he has already started his efforts with his contacts and experience to introduce this auditorium to the artists and the industry. Amitabh sir, you are undoubtedly the global icon of film industry, and to my knowledge, the only person to receive three highest civilian awards from the government of India, that is Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Vibhushan. We are really blessed to have you with us, sir. In the lighter note, sir, incidentally, I shared the same birthday with you, that is 11th October. On my birthday, my friends and relatives always tell me that we want to send flowers and bouquets to you, but sorry, today being Amitabhji's birthday, no flowers, bouquets are available. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Bharat sir, for giving us an insight as to what went into in making this auditorium. It is said there are two most difficult positions in India. One is that of the Prime Minister of India, and the other is that of the cricket captain of India. Why? It is because people have a lot of expectations from these people. They expect them to answer all their questions, pull out miracles in even the most difficult situations. Prime ministers have come and gone, so have cricket captains. But there is one person who, for the last 5 decades, have always performed to his people's expectancy. He has always risen up like a phoenix to their expectations. In a country which is so diverse and divided like us, he binds us together. Even if it is a small thing like open defecation or washing our hands, maintaining social distance, he's always there to guide us. He must have received several accolades internationally and nationally, but he rules our hearts. He's the king of our hearts with his kindness and humility. It is my honor and privilege to invite Sri Amitabh Bachchan ji to kindly declare our hall open. Sir, will you please do the honors?
Thank you. I don't know virtually how we can.
So
We
you
can-
can declare it open. You can say, I declare the hall auditorium.
All right, okay. So, with all my good wishes, I now declare this hall open to not just to students, but to the entire public of the nation. Thank you so much for having me here today.
We now have the glimpse of our auditorium. So that's our new auditorium, revamped and renovated. We pray because we believe in the power of prayer. We pray because we have no doubt that God will answer our prayers. We pray because God has allowed us to wake up and see another beautiful day. We now have a prayer dance, Ganesh Vandana, a maiden performance by the students of Ras Leela Dance Academy. This is the first performance in our new auditorium.
शाय धीमहि शरीराय गुणान्विताय गुणीशानाय धीमहि गुणाधीनाय गुणाधीशाय गुणाधीनाय धीमहि गजन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि सर्वेशानाय भालचन्द्राय धीमहि धीमहि
That was a wonderful performance by our little stars. Late Sri Harshad Walia, our dear Bapuji, always thought about this institute till his last breath. He always wanted to give the best to his students, no matter what was the cost involved in that. He always felt education should reach the needy. He may not be here with us physically, but his vision will always guide us and inspire us. We thank you, Bachchan sir, for turning up for this event and making our Babuji's dreams into reality. May I now request Sri Amitabh Bachchan sir to kindly address the gathering.
Thank you so much for inviting me here today. I want to thank Mr. Prashant Walia for extending this invitation to me and calling me over for this very momentous occasion for the Cosmopolitan Society education. Mr. Walia is my neighbor. और हमारे समाज में और हमारी संस्कृति में हमें हमेशा सिखाया गया कि जो पड़ोसी होता है वो एक दीवार जो है वही सिर्फ उनको अलग रखती है, पड़ोसी जो होता है वो एक परिवार की तरह होता है. He's like family to us. So Mr. Walia has always been a family to us. And when family asks you to come over for any function, for any work, we readily agree. So when Prashant ji asked me to come over, I told him that because of the COVID-19 precautions, I shall not be able to come there personally, but we could do something virtually. And what a blessing this is that we can address you, we can talk to you, and I'm able to see this wonderful hall that you have built for the future generation and the students of the college. I must say that I'm very envied by what I've just seen, because I come from a school where we never had these facilities. Our school auditorium was just a basic stage and some basic lights, and that's about it. So all the students must feel very privileged to have this modern facility of an auditorium in your premises that is going to give you all the possible facilities to improve your craft, to improve your technique. I have to confess that I started going to school when I was 2 years old, and that's like in 1944. And ever since I've been in school, I cannot remember a single year when I didn't appear on stage, the stage, the hall, the auditorium of every school that I went to. So whatever little that I know about performances, about acting in my career today, I have to give credit to those years that I've spent acting on my school stage. I wish and I hope that students from the school will use this auditorium not just to learn the craft of theater and acting, but to learn the craft of debating, to be able to hold functions that talk about the future, that talk about society, that talk about what good can be done. I'm very happy to see the girls being educated in the school, and I'm delighted to see that they take such an integral part in the school activities. महिलाओं को शिक्षा देना एक बहुत ही बड़ी और बहुत ही अहम एक जरूरत है हमारे समाज में. I do a TV show called KBC, and some of the contestants that come there who are ladies and women, they often come from very small towns, they come from villages, and some of the problems that they face are that their families do not allow them to be educated beyond, say, the 3rd or the 4th standard. And the horrible thing about that is that they tell them, why should I waste money on educating a girl? Because when she gets married, she's going to go somewhere, and better to educate her in looking after the kitchen and looking after the home rather than wasting money on education. Wasting money on education. That's like a dagger in your back. When you educate a woman, when you educate a girl, that's no wastage. Gandhiji always said, educate a man and you educate one individual. When you educate a woman, you educate an entire family. And that is what I'm very proud of as I spoke to the students at this institute. May you have a lovely time. I was very privileged to have opened the first auditorium when our dear friend, our dear departed friend, Mr. Harshad Walia, was alive. We shared a wonderful relationship. He was always there in our times of need. He was like family. We shared our homes, we shared our feelings and thoughts, and I share my feelings and thoughts today as the Walia Hall gets a new look from what it was when I first inaugurated it. This modern facility will go a long way in helping all of you living up to the standards that are available in any other part of the world. Please enjoy this facility. Please look after it, and may you ever prosper. Thank you so much once again for inviting me. And I'm sorry that I can't be present there today because of the precautions that we need to take with COVID. And as far as COVID is concerned, please maintain the social distancing. I am observing in the audience that the seating is also being done in that manner. Please wear a mask. Please keep washing your hands. I've been through this illness, and by the grace of God and the prayers of many, I was able to come out of it. I praise all the doctors and the medical fraternity for looking after me. But just because you've got it and you're out of it doesn't mean that it's over. You have to keep these precautions going. So may I just reiterate, please maintain social distancing. Please wear a mask. Please keep washing your hands as often as you can. And be safe, be protected, and be blessed by the words of the Almighty. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you, Bachchan sir. Last time you came here, you gave us lots of words of wisdom. One of them was, I would like to share it with you. One of it was, अगर मन का हो तो अच्छा, ना हो तो और भी अच्छा. I always told this to my kids, my little ones especially. One day he got up and asked me, Ma, who told you this? I said, Mr. Bachchan came to our college and he told us this. And then he asked very innocently, who told him that? I told his father told him that. Then he had a smile on his face and he said, now it makes sense. I said, why? It worked for him, so surely it will work for me also. Now may I request Mr. Prashant Walia, member of the Governing Council, to kindly address the gathering.
My dear Piji, my colleagues of Cosmopolitan Education Society, and distinguished guests present here and virtually on Zoom. Amit ji, I, on behalf of my committee and the management of Cosmopolitan Education Society, thank you very much for accepting our request and fulfilling my late father's wish for you to inaugurate the newly renovated Walia Hall, which you have inaugurated in 2009. And our family have shared a long association and friendship for almost 4 decades, and we are grateful that you have graciously taken time out of your otherwise busy schedule to virtually declare the state of the art all open. I would also like to thank Ganesh Bhai, owner of Popular Caterers, who are among the top caterers in Mumbai, for joining hands with us to provide catering for all the events to be held here. This achievement would not have been possible without the vision of my late father, Sri Harshad Bhai, a great visionary who has transformed the whole institution academic-wise and otherwise also to what it is today, and the hard work and dedication of Sri Bharat Walia, Nilesh Mehta, Rajubhai Mehta, and our interior designer, Sri Gaurav Seth, along with his team of workers who made this dream a reality. Thank you to all the heads of the institution, teaching and non-teaching staff, and to Sapna Madam for preparing the program so efficiently.
Thank you,
Thank
Prashant.
you once again, Amit ji, for your kind words. We are extremely honored to have you with us today, and it means a lot for the Institute and personally also with your presence today. Thank you to all my colleagues and guests for joining us today for this celebration. Thank you.
Thank you, Prashant sir. In conclusion, on behalf of the Cosmopolitan Education Society, I would like to thank all you wonderful people here. We are passing through difficult times. As a nation and as a world at large, we are facing one of the most unprecedented situations, the pandemic. So far, we have done well with our high recovery rates and low fatalities. As we part today, we must remind ourselves of our responsibilities that lie ahead. As the world witnesses one of the most highest vaccination drives, we here would thank Sri Bachchan ji for holding our hands and leading us through this difficult situation. Let us unite in this fight against the virus and stay safe. Thank you, one and all. Thanks a lot, Bachchan ji, for being here.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, one and all.